The Supreme Court is going to hear another Second Amendment case here in about 5 short weeks. It is rapidly coming upon us. And this Second Amendment case is really a big deal because what they're determining is, in the state of New York, they issue licenses to carry, and you have to prove that you're in danger, otherwise they will not give you a license to carry for self-defense. So they might give you a license to hunt with or to target shoot, but you cannot carry a gun for self-defense without a license. Obviously, a huge infraction of the Second Amendment, definitely just ripping apart the Second Amendment and the Constitution in so many ways. So the fact that the Supreme Court is hearing this case, it's New York Rifle and Pistol Club versus Curiae. Check it out. We'll put some links below as we talk about this case right now. But it's a big deal because ultimately, if the Supreme Court finds in favor of New York Rifle and Pistol Club, then that opens up constitutional carry for the entire country. So any state or county or city, for that matter, that is infringing on your right to carry, this will now set precedents that everybody has the right to carry for self-defense, which we do, of course. That's what the Second Amendment was written for. But if they find in favor of New York, then the opposite is possible. Anytime a state may switch to anti-Second Amendment leadership, they could easily get rid of your ability to carry for self-defense based on this case as well. So it's really a critical point for the Second Amendment and the Constitution. So this video, we've been following this case for quite some time and we've been kind of keeping you updated, but this video we're specifically talking about those who are against your right to carry. Now, what we have seen in the last week is dozens and dozens of entities have reached out to the Supreme Court and filed briefs and arguing why we should not have the right to carry. One of the biggest being a giant list of senators and House of Representatives, all of which are on one side politically, but many of these politicians when they were running for election, said that they were pro-Second Amendment. So definitely, I'm going to put that link below to that letter from Congress to the Supreme Court so you can see that list, because oftentimes we vote for people because they say they're pro-Second Amendment, but then what we see is that they're not. So take a look at that list. I'm going to put that in the link below. Also on that list are many different educational facilities. There's many organizations arguing that you should not have the right to carry for self-defense. So again, I'm going to put that link below because a lot of these organizations you may be affiliated with or you may be using, and obviously you want to recognize who is going against your constitutional right for self-defense. But in addition, there's several letters from clergy from different denominations also saying that you should not have the rights to self-defense. So I'm going to put all those links below. Just go through them. I just want to make you aware that there's a lot of people filing briefs right now with the Supreme Court arguing that we should not have the right to carry for self-defense. So it's starting to heat up as we get closer to that November 3rd date, which is the day they will be hearing it. They probably will not make any decision until in the spring, but it is November 3rd. That's when this case will go into trial. We're going to do our best to be there and let you know what the arguments for and against are. But generally what we're seeing is a lot of briefs being filed right now from different entities all over the country arguing that you should not have the right to constitutional carry. So take a look at those. Again, I'm going to put them in the link below. And it is getting heated up. It's definitely going to heat up. I highly recommend you reach out to anybody that may have influence, whether it be your congressman, your senator, anything. And because if the anti-Second Amendment are filing literally dozens and dozens and dozens of briefs against Second Amendment, or against the Second Amendment, then we need to be doing the same for the Second Amendment. So take a look. Again, I'm going to put those links below. It's straight at the Supreme Court. Its website, so you can look and see, don't take my word for it, and don't take anybody's blog. This is straight from the Supreme Court's website. So love to hear your thoughts on all this. Put it in the comments below. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. If you feel called to support this channel with Patreon, that link is also below. But the most important part of this channel, we take prayer requests, so never hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. And as always, love God, love your family, and love guns.